block 37 military hospital. Am I be we? Oh, Ghana, huh?
No,
one girl, a friend say, some go for your from say, a quail can say,
democracy hub.
No, democracy. We. I'm a busa organizers almost in a Ghana for Sabi, Ghana for one way, Baku and I heading. Way and summer a catch a Ghana for 2024. Summer a kind now, so Ogusa Elko, and you are one of the champion guys, Sam George. I would dear Nimu. On Sabe catch say, videos are air babon to the air how because you did it, said a bear or party, a baba bem. I mean, funny bonning channel.
Now, I'm having for some pedal.
Chairman.
Abuja for Mamu na makwa about the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm so like video na be subscribe to your channel no attend on it. Can next time. Videos of this nature about sonsa. Ibeti my cabin also watch our your comment section there my sir. So the money na money Mr. President na madaroma mo share a new space na you use to say. Until we shall na be up so boy. Now, boy, Mr. President, so sit here in the studio. Kitu ebi kukure bi also between ya Ghana and Sem TV herefore. I mean, you can reach out to number na das here on. To cause or me the number be more. Now I reach out to me now so mo bi obo mbia. So dia boy, many better pan, many best so madaroma. Na said me kind can subscribe because mo ntine ya wa say be so madaroma. Na another more questions bibusa. Inti journalist mo krum a ekwan amade yura na na adan kwakufa de efa so afedo mo hu se eya na se na enye journalist wo krum a eni eya a mo de hye yura na adan kwakufa do ododo obribi se menhia kese jama do fiziko tia na ho je fifi eni eya mo de hye no e wo ha 80 years mu no me pa cho eya na se na enye na me ka se Ghana journalist for say NDC de omo ye saint omo ye holy. Na meka se Ghana for journalists NDC dey almost be mad. Na meka se Ghana for journalists NDC for dey omo na the best. Afedi na si. Meka se omo madi ya bro pa okroma pa ye kapa intimi nkan journalist for mfrim. Ko yunuanom journalist e papa num journalist e ma no mu into journalism. E komo bum so be di NPP ambro. E komo bum so be di Amagana bro. Because amamu adi free SHS aba. Amamu adi one district one dam aba. Amamu ade agenda 111 aba ene sa mamu no ye yie ne mamu edi mamu na bro se ye hwe mamu ni ko position se na be Ghana for bebre boni bay ana Ghana for edi journalist for mukruma ense be nyan kan fa yura na nadan ko fado yisi yura na nadan ko fado ni kurumu chibi ene headquarters of Galamsey mukai ye kan ma bi ka o chima hini nyina e kan ema ohin kese tesa yet ni year politics edidi na tam kansa ma ense fata bu ne ho fin ema mfo nya NDC for policy bo mfo Eastern Region mo so say ye ne kure to minti o muguo mo wan kasa hene kese ohin pon kese se egu ne ho fin to minti na ne yura ye busa se yura na ye John Dramani Mahama His Excellency ebitiki wo ba no Galamsey no mo kan ejaya na ene kwado ni bibi ukobole kro no ne krum bole kro etu Galamsey wo ono ne krum bole ne den etu etu Galamsey ntene so ye busa se ntene so MPP fo na etu Galamsey na se NDC fo na etu Galamsey no adiji atama ehwema journalist no bi edi ahemfo akese atemu krum wa ene den na journalist fo no mo kafa ho ediade ene journalist no mo kafa ho enim guas ise journalism ko nya kono bio journalism enya kono bio ko ye hwe no ma bi yira janto ana na janto mo yeye ye hwe no ma bi nuanom ye bra panyi captain smart mo yeye media genuine for ye YouTube for ye just no ma bi o mo yeye ya ene njo meeting do mo say so mo proud of mo decision mo make so be kwoti MPP ana ochima for de mo busansem mo se kaseti omura nseme kafa omukuru no hono ene emuaye no mo pe se de oyeye ne ye omo papa na ye omo bone 2 minutes na nado bebe obi abechi obo ena fe na musu fe na nado somra na nado we ne time we mo di MPP abro mo di Ghana mabu na bro mo di abro papa mo di abro ma anya papa ba ko se mo di abro abusa menche kwa menko video ni mra
37 military hospital ama obi be wi oh Ghana ha
no ga
one girl a friend say some go for your from say akwa can say
Democracy Hub.
no di ma ko tene obi be wi am ye busa organizers o na Ghana for sabe Ghana for mu ba ku wa na yeden we yen sama ye catch Ghana for 2024 sama ye kan nyina so eguso ekoso gidigidi and you are one of the champion guys Sam George I would di animu on sa be catch say o videos are eba bontene how because you did it said a bear o party eba ba bem I mean funny born in channel
na Mahami for some pedawa
chairman
then how I no pay
chairman general ne Mahami say galam say dey wo ka
there be enka galam say ya ka LGBTQ
chairman no dey wo ka na say dey wo nsa wo makoma no
ade
LGBT no chairman LGBT I said me can you kwa na say na father so e dia me pe I'm a happy man when you ready kafra I'm telling you because chairman for the life of me mint tiase de be ma nipa bi adwena ye ne say hwe pretty joy city hey na honya makono hwe jare chema wo de wai ma je
la de eje street bullet be de jayaji
se be ma say onu ni wiase a obaye no be ma na ne kon do no a opeso woni ne da yes we nye yare and then we are struggling with the best welem wede chairman 2024 obi obeka kire o say LGBT whatever it is no na enye key issue in deciding the fate of our election no obi bi hoka the clergy Christendom Islam and a traditional ifo ni nyina sorry tia MPP because President Kyebifuor was not courageous enough and sign and almost so kra no e yo sign and say time of parliament we bill no also one sign no now who kwan say bill no o ma ye de brew
yeah
now what throw back and the old memo come parliament back say bill na mo de buy me hwe mu no ma hu we monya hu adwuma yes I mean sign and now he could have referred it to council of state come hwe wa anya sa and whatever happened when to me answer me no dey ahenka we were never silent in this house papa because that is principle sure chairman yeah mona muka say ade enye how on earth will you say enne we enye echina de enye na me nipa wo yes na me hu wa ho me mfa serious biom so we yes na me hu say enne wo ba adwuma wo hu say chairman general say blue shirt wo say blue enye kala enye wo wi say ni say nipa wa adwuma adwuma wo she Matias ye ade echi na wo de wo apam blue shirt
say o say enye priority say wa chenya enye priority
president Kyebifuor do say on sign no priority when I allow him chairman the greatest deception in the room President Mahama Sam George any NDC for anasa abren omo president Kyebifuor me kan hu bi no na omo no omo de omo anya kwan ya adwuma of parliament dan nim say in the life of a parliament say bill bi ba na president asente na say sa parliament ni free ho a bill no awu this year Sambe she bibia ase foforo
no correct
what is our conversation they never said that all they said was that motoma ye ba ya mesign because President Mama will know no peace from me Sam George and indeed on President Mama nankasa so can say or your assemblies of God ni gideate motoma me ba ya mesign motoma me ba ya mesign chairman Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference on me no ma ye adwuma bebre ni ade kakra na
yeah
chairman say when omu si gina omu take a decision on issue aho no they are so convinced say ade we say ne say no a bibia ni wa beka bishops you mbeti ase chairman go to heaven and come but omu so omu gina no e ho an no omu gina and time no omu take a decision about LGBT no you could see that anger in them in the Catholic Bishops Conference. You could see it is because ye chiwade eye musio yenka ade ayem moso nka nipa ho yet yenya Sam George nom okujato nom President Mama himself Sameja Mfinom in fact eno nyuma na meba Sam George videos you are say a vote for Baumia and Napo a vote for TTT so kika sanya mani nyina knowing very well say
sa bill no a 8th parliament na ntima anye ho adwuma nwie no se sa parliament no kwa 9th no ba je so san sha ase fufuro now see the irony enema na wo bill no ma na mo gina president Akufo-Addo so se on sign no mo de mo ba ya mo see enema bi wo sa bill no mu a esese ye yi firi ma ansa na ya sign
ani e fa no koto de
what are you saying
nyanya nche de emfa no nko
chairman bi won do mbo obi anyi bibi emfi
but nana sa LGBT ade munyi ni se ye de abeye amanyosem dodo
de omo na basa
esan se only psychologist edin komo only omo a ebia omoma etesa obi wo ho a eye ni genes eye ni hormones and amara ba ne sa nkrofo no na yenye omodai
okay
yen kase esan se yesuso nyase ni enim se kodwo besia ho yehu yenye omote na nkasem bia ni ho
dabi
enti ade na se ya amana be ya amanyosem
ya amana be ya asem no ne se tama na yesuso na kodwo besia ho no kodwo besia ma meka nkire ye da se ye ma no kwan ma publicly o magina boten ka so okoware kodwo besia
okay
even if they practiced it
na ye silent
memeti chairman me rejoice squad them obi ani dey besi ho me ni ntamasa but when we try say dey besi ho them on ye dey ba bonte an be ka chairman for say me rejoice say ni epe entu munyina mo so munyintu na monye ne saa that is where the problem is
exactly
enti be den be amanyosem
aha say on say ye democracy na ye no omo hu say politicians that who say ye nyanyini nu ba bia ye be fa issues critically na ya hwe issue no ya analyze issue na hwe the pros and cons and say ya take a decision ye politics na ye e fa kese na emotional and one who say me kan we a amanfo no pay into obeka chairman minim say obeka about fuel prices later in the day and now me who communicated be our can say oh say Ukraine Russia and then nan to kana 2 countries spend na eko we na 3 countries
I get the message no pay
what's it
Ukraine Russia ni 2 countries you go do
it will do see back
it's we na affect so you see and no obi ka kire wo say COVID aba Ukraine Russia etia grains iron rods ne sa ne mani nyina fankese na from Ukraine na ba enje benya impact no wo see exogenous factors e affect Ghana na bomb do binya metal Ghana ha fine ya tia se ya jitum eye because no kre wa ma obre yi na aka na sa wakọ homa sha wo se krama fa wonam enti den na ne de
me ha me be
den na ne de chairman wo nua no wo ho na adekro no esi hu nua na bre so na wo se o ma won nyina no so meka se ntina wo sika asem ABCD a wo se
na se enka se sika asem nya
za na no John Jina Port mo de
enra o hwe ya inflation about down biom
inflation but
dollar was down into I mean the economy is doing well
chairman this economy is bia onim the subject here say ehina a friend say inflationary rate any economic growth inversely proportional say inflation no mom na drive on yema nyina no ebre no ba form no na enema bo rather no inflation that is supposed to stabilize prices rampant pricing of goods and services no eno mom ba form na enema ekosoro
yen kan se enema enkosoro be see speed enema na de kosoro abrase
speed ben na chance
inflation
chairman speed ben na chance time inflation what 23% na fuel 14.2 na inflation about 3.3 uko total say here diesel 18.67
ntokwane
abontin tokwane affect e ni bi ato ha
so we dey fat fat
we dey fat baba ko dey na nya fat
no so fat but politics no dey here no go man no
chairman president Akufo-Addo ho na wo be ka kire me say ono president Akufo in fact no am say voice ni bi wa chairman taban production team no boy na me ni mpo say sa ne voice ni bi wo it tells you how irresponsible, reckless Akufo-Addo is.
That time, no, Nana Minchwa no.
One Casa.
Sam George.
Okay. That time, no, general
LGBT as
LGBT.
general sabre no
irresponsible reckless.
Yes, Nana
It tells you how irresponsible and reckless Akufo-Addo is. Yeah, President Akufo-Addo is.
sabre no Nana nanu enyam se mampani any nanu enyam se pani any me din kra no because of politics you free ho
Yem friend
body di
yem friend Nana Addo.
just as wa mobra as a wa mobra if you make us as some George so who pass through Ghana for do Ghana for na nya politics pa no wo ye dirty politics he should be the first person e wo mampani mama administration so resign and he must be sacked because he has not been truthful. Chama, he has not been truthful. I'm telling you, he has not been. Chama, enkola na yeti chom. Tebi adi on to abrofoni so muko omodentiti pa. Debi awu kasi ye generation no. Si entity ehu yi a ye na ebebregu. Yemfen tro emenya tumi emebu man.